Aristotle watched crowds and noticed how confidence rises exactly when careful thinking leaves the room. A crowd always feels powerful, even when nobody inside the crowd feels personally responsible. Aristotle saw people shouting together and mistaking loud agreement for wisdom. From far away, crowds look united, but up close, Aristotle saw uncertainty everywhere. Shared emotion feels like truth when many people feel it together. Aristotle noticed excitement spreads faster than responsibility in large groups. When responsibility is shared by everyone, accountability quietly disappears. Crowds feel strong because nobody feels personally wrong. Aristotle realized confidence grows when individuals stop questioning themselves. Agreement feels comforting even when it produces bad decisions. A crowd rarely asks whether it should act, only whether it can. Momentum replaces judgment once numbers increase. Aristotle noticed crowds move faster when thinking slows down. Speed feels powerful, even when direction is missing. People inside crowds feel brave without knowing why. Aristotle warned that confidence without reflection creates dangerous certainty. A crowd rarely stops itself once emotion takes control. Feeling right becomes more important than being right. The louder the agreement, the harder it becomes to pause. Aristotle saw this pattern repeat again and again. Crowds feel wise together, even when individuals would hesitate alone. Aristotle also noticed crowds love simple answers to complex problems. Complex explanations feel slow, while simple slogans feel satisfying. Crowds prefer certainty, even when certainty is artificial. Doubt feels uncomfortable in groups, so doubt is quickly silenced. Aristotle observed that hesitation is mistaken for weakness in crowds. Confidence looks impressive, even when unsupported by thinking. People copy each other's emotions to avoid standing alone. Standing alone feels risky when belonging feels safer. Crowds reward conformity more than accuracy. Aristotle understood this instinct very well. Aristotle never said people are foolish by nature. He believed people behave differently when responsibility dissolves into numbers. A single person can pause, reflect, and reconsider. A crowd prefers speed, momentum, and emotional certainty. Aristotle classified systems by intention, not popularity. Good systems aim at the common good. Bad systems aim at emotional satisfaction and short-term comfort. Aristotle warned democracy becomes dangerous when appetite replaces judgment. He believed numbers amplify emotion, not wisdom. Noise increases faster than understanding as crowds grow. Excitement often feels like clarity in large groups. Clarity, Aristotle believed, usually arrives quietly and late. Crowds reward confident speakers more than careful thinkers. Applause favors passion over explanation. Calm reasoning rarely feels exciting enough to follow. Over time, loud certainty replaces thoughtful doubt. Aristotle feared systems where feeling right matters more than being right. Popularity becomes proof instead of evidence. Decisions feel justified because many agree. He noticed agreement feels safer than thinking alone. Aristotle believed wisdom needs space to breathe. Crowds rarely create that space naturally. Aristotle believed systems shape behavior more than intentions. Good people behave badly inside bad systems. Bad incentives quietly reward bad behavior. When systems reward speed, people stop thinking. When systems reward attention, people exaggerate emotion. Aristotle noticed that rules teach behavior silently. People follow what is rewarded, not what is preached. Crowds learn faster from incentives than from lectures. Aristotle warned that unchecked incentives corrupt judgment. Corruption begins when shortcuts feel normal. Aristotle believed emotion travels faster than reason in human groups. Fear spreads instantly, while logic waits politely to be invited. Anger feels powerful even when it solves nothing. Excitement creates momentum without direction. Aristotle noticed decisions made in emotion age very badly. Short-term satisfaction often produces long-term instability. Crowds prefer answers that feel good now. Uncomfortable truths lose popularity very quickly. He saw persuasion winning over competence repeatedly. Those who excite emotions gain influence faster than those who explain consequences. Fast decisions feel brave, even when careless. Slowing down feels weak, even when wise. Aristotle warned impatience disguised as courage destroys stability. Emotion loves action. Reason prefers timing. Crowds rarely wait long enough for reason to arrive. By the time reason speaks, decisions are already locked. Regret usually arrives quietly later. Aristotle believed this delay causes most collective mistakes. Emotion celebrates first, then explains later. Reason prefers explaining before celebrating. Crowds rarely give reason that luxury. The louder the emotion, the quieter reason becomes. Aristotle would recognize modern chaos, even without knowing modern names or technologies. Screens flash constantly, yet clarity feels strangely unavailable. He would notice people reacting faster than understanding situations. Urgency now looks like intelligence, even when decisions clearly worsen outcomes. Speed is mistaken for wisdom. Aristotle would observe leaders speaking confidently while steering without direction. Some leaders chase applause, profit, or loyalty instead of responsibility. Power rewards those who promise comfort, not those who explain limits, not those who explain consequences. Corruption appears quietly when systems reward gain over virtue. Aristotle warned bad leadership survives by feeding emotion. Fear becomes useful when explanation feels inconvenient. Anger becomes profitable when attention is easier to sell than solutions. He would notice belief being weaponized instead of guiding behavior. Religious language becomes loud when reasoning becomes uncomfortable. Crowds divide quickly when identity replaces judgment. Aristotle would see unity breaking into sides, each certain of moral superiority. Everyone reacts instantly, and reflection disappears. Opinions form faster than facts can arrive. Emotion updates faster than reason can load. Systems weaken from constant emotional motion. Small reactions pile up into large instability. Nobody plans chaos, yet chaos feels permanently scheduled. Aristotle would calmly say this pattern is familiar. Modern tools move faster, but human behavior remains unchanged. The environment accelerates emotion without improving judgment. Noise multiplies while understanding stays limited. Attention becomes fragmented into endless reactions. Aristotle would say, distraction weakens collective intelligence. Aristotle believed leadership fails when honesty becomes expensive. Truth becomes unpopular when comfort is profitable. Leaders learn quickly what crowds reward. Some leaders stop leading and start performing. Performance feels safer than responsibility. Aristotle warned that charisma can replace competence. Crowds confuse confidence with capability. Leaders who simplify reality gain followers faster. Those who complicate reality lose popularity. Aristotle saw this pattern long before modern stages existed. Aristotle did not oppose shared rule. He opposed untrained rule. Aristotle believed balance matters more than dominance. He preferred law guiding emotion. Aristotle called this balanced system a polity. In a polity, restraint protects freedom. He believed expertise matters during storms. A skilled navigator matters more than loud passengers. Aristotle valued participation, not impulsive control. Education must come before power. Without trained judgment, freedom becomes noise. Law exists to slow passion, not accelerate it. Aristotle believed patience creates stability. Balanced systems survive longer than emotional ones. Restraint feels boring, but boredom protects order. He trusted systems that survive excitement. Aristotle valued structure because structure protects choice. Rules exist to preserve freedom, not restrict it. Limits prevent collapse before it begins. He believed good systems absorb emotion without breaking. Wisdom needs boundaries to function. Aristotle preferred fewer impulses and better judgment. Aristotle would not panic looking at the world. He would sigh calmly. Aristotle knew systems wobble long before they collapse. Many democracies today feel tired, overstretched, and slightly confused. Everyone votes, everyone speaks, but no one seems to listen properly. Aristotle would say this is democracy overheating, not democracy dying. Too much emotion without structure creates noise, not freedom. Aristotle believed freedom needs discipline, the way traffic needs signals. Without order, movement increases, but direction disappears. Aristotle warned that choice without training becomes chaos with confidence. Distorted democracies still hold elections, but lose judgment. Rules exist, yet nobody respects the pause between action and reaction. Aristotle would notice impatience replacing responsibility. People demand results instantly, then complain when systems break slowly. Aristotle believed law should slow passion, not accelerate it. Discipline is unpopular because discipline feels boring. Aristotle would remind that boring systems survive longer than exciting ones. Crowds love speed, but stability prefers patience. Aristotle never feared freedom. Aristotle feared freedom without restraint. Too much shouting does not improve wisdom. Too much choice does not create clarity. Aristotle's warning is quiet, because wisdom rarely raises its voice. Order, Aristotle believed, is not control. Order is care. A society survives not by reacting faster, but by pausing longer. Aristotle would gently suggest fewer impulses and better judgment. That suggestion still sounds reasonable and valid today. So, slow down before deciding. Think before reacting. Pause before applauding. That advice still feels inconvenient. That inconvenience is the point.